to my channel. At this point, I'll be presenting to you my prayer plants, or basically the Calathea, the Maranta, and the Stromanthe, if I'm not mistaken. I think those three belong to the so-called prayer plant. Why prayer plant? Because late in the afternoon, or basically in the evening, they are folding. Their behavior is to fold their leaves like it's spraying. Okay, so first on the list, I have here this one. Look, with a very beautiful pink stripe. This one is a pink stripe. I've forgotten the scientific name, but this one is a pink stripe. Look on the beautiful, beautiful stripes that it has. I love this one. Next on the list is this one. This one is a Maranta leuconura. Look. Oh, look at the beautiful pattern it has. Late in the afternoon, the leaves are folding like this one. Okay, this is again my Maranta leuconura that I really, really love. Next is this one. This is a Calathea Makuyana, or basically the peacock. The peacock. If you'll be looking on the pattern of the leaf, it looks like the tail of the peacock when they are open. Okay, beautiful pattern with the shiny silver lining on the leaf. Okay, next is we have this one. This is my favorite, the Calathea roseopicta, if I'm correct. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. This one is growing massive. And next on the list is this one. Oh, look on this one. This one is picturata. I think Calathea picturata, with a very nice margin on the leaf and color silver in the middle part. While the other one, I don't know what this one is. It's already folding. Oh, look. That's their behavior. It's folding late in the afternoon, and sometimes the leaves are rolling to conserve water when it's too hot. This one already also has a margin, but not as large as the other one. This one I think is half an inch, but this one I don't know what species this is. It's like few centimeters only, but it's beautiful. And I love to show you this one, my another potted Maranta leuconura, to show you how they look like when they are already folding. Look, so pretty. The folding leaf, as if they are praying. Unlike the other one, is already open. I don't know why the other one is still open, the other one is closed. So again, these are my Marantas, my priceless possession, which I really love. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every update. Goodbye and God bless.